I'm Delia, your HAPO Junior Money Pro, and I'm here with my friends from the Tijuana Mariachi Band to help us celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month. Something smells delicious. I bet it's Ariana in the Fiesta Kitchen.
Thanks, Delia. I'm here with Isidro, the owner of Fiesta Restaurants. Today, we're going to be making their signature guacamole and breaking down the recipe for success. Thank you for joining us, Isidro.
De nada, Ariana. I'm here to help you create your own recipe for success.
Let's dive in.
Just like any recipe, we have to make sure we have a plan before we start. I like to start with a strong base. For our recipe, we will use an avocado. When I started my business, I built it on a foundation of providing the delicious food of my culture, mi cultura, to the community.
Like this?
Exactly. For a balanced recipe, we need to add the remaining ingredients. For our business, it was a delicious menu, a dedicated team, and a unique dining experience.
And then you finish your recipe, right?
Not exactly. A good chef always tastes their creation to make sure it's just right. Ours could use a little bit more limon. Like any recipe, there's always room for growth. I expanded my business from 1 location to 3, and even offer catering services. Never be afraid to adjust your recipe for success.
Now let's share with our friends.
Let's do it.
Thanks Isidro and Ariana. This is delicious. I can't wait to see what recipes for success our Junior Money Pros come up with. I'm Delia signing off. A special thanks to the Tijuana High School Mariachi Band. See you next time for another great money adventure.